I'm showing you on if I do lose my keys though, which is hardly unnecessary because I don't always lose them. But if I do, oh, you can't even remember. The wind's howling. Oh, yeah, if I lose my keys, guys, I got my other pair of keys, my other set of keys. This one here. I'm gonna just show me now if I can, guys. No, it's really not. Oh, it's really blowing my phone. I don't know why. This has never happened to me before. There goes I around my belt. Yeah, and my handcuff key. I'm just gonna use down here, guys. But I don't hardly lose them because they got my Pikachu on it. So I know if I lose them, I lose my Pikachu. That's the right way, guys. Yeah, I'll do them all mouse swap. I'll get in trouble doing this. I'll just check more mouse swap for you guys. This is our raw mouse swap, guys. That's mine. That's upstairs. That's the girls. And there's a cat that just went down there. He's just gone in there. You can just about see him. Yeah, he's still there. Yeah, a cat went running, guys. You should have saw that. Yeah, a cat went running. There he is. Just there, guys.
And taking a video.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a cat, guys. You can just see him in the distance. Look, just there. I'm not gonna go any closer in case he gets scared, but just there. Just there. Yeah, just there, guys. I'll keep this cat in video shot for a while. Yeah, he's not so sure about me right now. He comes out and then he looks at me and then he's not so sure, so